Hello students, hope you all are fine. In the previous video we have discussed various aspects of the chapter The Midnight Visitor. In today's video we are going to take up different type of questions that will help you in your examination. So first we are taking up textual questions. First question is Possible did not fit any description of a secret agent Fowler had ever read. What do secret agents in books and films look like, in your opinion? Discuss in groups or in class some stories or movies featuring spies, detectives, and secret agents, and compare their appearance with that of possible in the story. You may mention characters from fiction in languages other than English. In English fiction, you may have come across Sherlock Holmes, Hercule Poirot, or Miss Marple. Have you watched any movies featuring James Bond? Answer: Secret agents in fiction are projected like ideal men, tall, dark, and handsome. They are usually well built and keep beautiful women for company. They would smoke a pipe like Sherlock Holmes or a cigar and execute death-defying stunts like James Bond. Movies based on James Bond show high-tech gadgets which assist the detective in countering villains. However, there are some exceptions to this appearance of a secret agent also. A character named Faluda was created by Satyajit Ray, the famous Bengali filmmaker. Faluda was a tall, athletic figure who relied on his superb analytical ability and observation skills. The second textual question: How does Ossible manage to make Max believe that there is a balcony attached to his room? Look back at his detailed description of it. What makes it a convincing story? Answer is Ossible created a convincing story about the presence of a balcony. He said that twice in a month somebody had entered his room through the balcony. On being questioned by Max about the balcony, he replied with extreme irritation that it was not his balcony. This reaction, which looked natural, played a part in convincing Max. He further told Max explanatorily that his room was earlier a part of a larger unit and the adjoining room was the one which had the balcony. He said that it extended under his window. His manner of description and speaking convinced Max that there was indeed a balcony under his window. Now we are taking up the third textual question. Looking back at the story, when do you think Ossible thought up his plan for getting rid of Max? Do you think he had worked out his plan in detail right from the beginning? Or did he make up a plan taking advantage of events as they happened? Answer: It seems that Ossible had worked out the plan right from the beginning. He did not take any time to let Max know about the presence of a balcony. His story seemed pretty much thought out, and he was convincing in his narration. The timing of the knock on the door was perfect because he had already asked the waiter, Henry, to bring him a bottle of drink and two glasses after he returned. Therefore, he was expecting his knock on the door, and accordingly, he told Max that it was the police whom he had asked to check in to make sure everything was all right. At the end, the calm with which he told Fowler, who was terrified, that there was no police and that he had expected the waiter to come in with his order, shows that he was not surprised by the sudden turn of events and Max turning up at his room Such a detailed and well-knit plan gives the impression that it was pre-planned and that he was prepared for it. Now we are taking up extract-based questions. These are of 4 marks, 1 mark each. First extract is, and as the light came on, Fowler had his first authentic thrill of the day, for halfway across the room, a small automatic pistol in his hand stood a man. First question is, what was the turn of events? The answer is, Fowler and Ausable found a man with a pistol standing in the room, Ausable room. What did they find? They found a man with a pistol in the room. What is the meaning of the word authentic given in the paragraph? The answer is original. Write the antonym of the word thrill. The antonym of the word thrill is boring. The second extract is, Ausable moved to an armchair and sat down heavily. I'm going to raise the devil with the management this time, and you can bet on it, he said grimly. This is the second time in a month that somebody has got into my room through that nuisance of a balcony. Fowler's eyes went to the single window of the room. It was an ordinary window, against which now the night was pressing blackly. First question is, why was Ausable disturbed? The answer is, Ausable was disturbed with his room's balcony window. What did he complain of? He complained of strangers entering through the window into his room. C. Find out the opposite of angel from the above given extract. The opposite of the word angel is devil, that is given in the extract. Change the word grimly into noun form. The noun form of word grimly is grim. Now we are taking story-based long questions. These are of 8 marks. First question is, sometimes appearances can be deceptive. How does this statement prove with this story? Yes, it is true that sometimes we fail to identify the real personality of a man due to his different appearances. So it can be said that appearances can be deceptive. Fowler was a young and romantic man. He was a writer of adventurous stories. Ausable was a secret agent, a detective. He faces danger in his work, so Fowler wanted to meet him for some adventurous stories. But when he met Ausable in a French hotel with a damp corridor, Fowler felt disappointed. But Ausable proved himself after reaching his room. A man named Max was found inside Ausable's room with a gun in his hand. Ausable at once proved that he possessed the quality of a true detective. He told Max about a balcony next to the window and police at the door. Max believed him because Ausable's way of talking was so real. Thus, we find that sometimes appearances can be deceptive. Now we are taking up the second lengthy question. Presence of mind and intelligence are more powerful than a gun. How far is it true in case of Ausable, the secret agent? Ausable is actually not of that kind as we read in detective stories and books, nor is he like the heroes of James Bond films. Ausable is an exception. The young writer Fowler is disappointed after meeting Ausable. Ausable doesn't suit any description of a secret agent. He is fat and sloppy. His room is rather small, and that too on the 6th floor. However, appearances are generally deceptive. Ausable proves that presence of mind and intelligence are more powerful than a gun. Presence of mind and intelligence are the assets of Ausable. His sharp reaction particularly to a dangerous situation, is very quick and thorough. When he finds Crafty Max in the room with a pistol in his hand, he at once understands the purpose of his visit. The rival secret agent who has come to take away the important report that concerns with some new missiles must be outwitted and defeated in his own game. Oswald cooks up the stories of the balcony and the police so convincingly that Max falls into his trap. While there is no balcony below the window of his room, the knockings at the door are not of the police, but of his waiter. The confused and unnerved Max jumps out of the window in desperation. Thus, through his presence of mind and intelligence, Oswald proves himself more powerful than a gun, and he was able to get rid of the Max. In the end, students, I am giving you some assignment. This is a writing activity. The first activity is to read one more detective story from English literature and write the review of the story. And the second writing activity is to read a detective fiction or watch a detective movie and to write its theme. Thank you.